What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at Sundial Growers' quarterly report and also talk about some recent news that the company has released. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. SNDL just announced its fourth quarter earnings on March 17th in the after hours. And overall, I'm quite impressed with the results. Like we've talked about in a prior video here on my channel, during 2020, SNDL was able to restructure and eliminate $227 million of debt. And that restructuring, in addition to their business operations, has left them with $60.4 million of unrestricted cash as of the end of December 2020, which has grown to $719 million as of March 15th. And from a business operations perspective, SNDL saw their gross revenue increase by 10% to $73.3 million in 2020, with net revenue in the fourth quarter of $13.9 million, an increase of 8% quarter over quarter. However, SNDL was not profitable for 2020, reporting a net loss, but they were able to make $90.4 million of strategic investments throughout 2020, 58.9 of which came in the fourth quarter. And in my opinion, those investments will be able to help SNDL continue to grow their business for years to come. In addition to earnings, we recently received news that SNDL will be entering into a new joint venture, with it being announced that this new partnership will be a 50-50 joint venture with SAF Opportunities that will be called Sunstream, with a goal of this joint venture to help Sundial to increase its growth in the global Michael Jackson industry. Specifically, Sundial Growers has made an initial commitment of $100 million to the joint venture, which is ultimately expected to pursue a Canadian SPAC merger. Overall, Sundial Growers has had a rough time over the past month or so after reaching just under $3 per share in mid-February. But more recently, the share price has started to recover, reaching resistance at around $1.50 per share. But so far, in after-hours trading, at the time that I'm recording this video, SNDL share price has responded quite nicely to these earnings, up around 9%. In my opinion, this earnings report, news of the joint venture, and additional stimulus money entering into the economy may be just what Sundial Growers needed in order to see the share price take off again. And with Jerome Powell and the Fed quieting fears about rate hikes, at least for now, and other potential catalysts such as the MORE Act, which has still not yet seen its day in the Senate, 2021 may have a lot more opportunity ahead for SNDL. What are your thoughts about Sundial Growers? Are you invested in SNDL? Are you thinking about investing in this company? What do you think of their earnings report and the announcement of the new joint venture? And where do you see the share price going over both the short term and the long term? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.